PSQH stock is, or rather, has shown a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend. The company indicated that it has now signed up Donald Trump Jr. as a director in the company, and the stock more than doubled to a gain of over 270%. So what we're looking at right now, as things stand, is that it has a support of around $2.91, 2.91. I think it was this is the sort of level it was trading at as of Friday, the 29th of November. And there isn't any indication that weakness is going to set in, but at the same time, with this steep upward spike, surely a pullback will definitely occur at some point. The float is not exactly it's not a low float. It's not a low float. It's not just decently has a well just no not a low float. As a matter of fact, 16 million shares are floated. So regardless of all of that, aggression definitely was in play here. So since this year, all the negated some a lot of the negated upper projections have since been blown through. It is just right on this upper projection of 50 of 7.66 dollars. This is where it closed at, and it has inched up slightly in this post market session to $7.8. So not that those Fibonacci projections that were negated before are in play, but it's good to see that they are now material. A lot of them are now becoming relevant. So projections, negated projections, we have again go all the way towards 9.77. This is not to say that they are in play. We're not based on the indicators we are using. They are not in play at all. There isn't any upper projection here that is in play at all. There's not anything, no upper projection. These projections were in play when the stock was still not hadn't declined as much as it did as of yesterday. Yesterday, the 2nd of December. So, but it's good to have a look at its history. Quite a volatile stock as well. Quite a volatile stock. Had to check its float, and it's the volatility map it has. It just speaks of a stock that has a low float, but it doesn't have to be a low float to have this sort of volatility. Aggressive positions, aggressive actions, or trading will definitely make a stock print this sort of volatility. So you can see that. You can see it has this history of volatility. You can see that spikes that have gone all the way. I'm still scrolling up. They've gone all the way towards $33. Yes, this was as of 20th of July 2023. So about over a year ago, and you believe it, there was even an upper projection here. There was even an upper projection, and since over a year ago, negated $3.37, $3.35. So given the spike, and then given this upper projection, you shouldn't rule out that maybe in the coming sessions, in the coming hours, we might see upper projections being printed. We might see upper projections being printed above where it is right now. So these are this is 14.72. This is 14.12. This is 13.19. So these are obviously all of them have been negated. They're no longer in play. But based on what we have just seen now, there's a good chance that we may see the indicators we're using, the algorithms we're using, the algos we're using, if you like, to begin to recalculate and try to print up projections for the stock. But at the same time, given this very steep angle of attack the stock has printed today, given this gain of over 270%, then you should expect that a pullback will definitely at some point will surely occur, even though the extrapolation is for higher prices to play out in the coming sessions, to play out up till Monday the 16th. That's the extrapolation up to Monday the 16th. High prices are expected. So we're talking about 2 weeks, that will be 10 trading sessions from, or maybe 9 trading sessions from today. High prices are predicted, but don't bet your horses on that. Don't bet your horses on that. I'm more of the stock retracing slightly. Maybe it may continue to show strength up till Monday, the 16th of December, but naturally you should expect it to pull back slightly. But in any case, the company is doing its best to associate itself with Donald Trump. So a little bit about the company. If you didn't know, the company is a holding company which provides digital platform. The company operates through three segments: marketplace, brands, and financial technology. Its marketplace segment includes a mobile application, which comprises a mobile app is available for both iOS and Android services, and web users can access its full platform at publicsquare.com. So yeah, so that's a snapshot. That's a snippet of what the company does, and like I mentioned earlier on, now has Donald Trump Jr. as a board member. So see what you make of the stock. We don't have any upper projections, but before we round up, we can just quickly dive in and see what's going on on its 1 minute chart. We have here, yeah. Here we can see projections. We have 8.36. We have, I think they actually negated. They're no longer in play, as a matter of fact, but a few minutes ago they were in play. So we don't really have any projections that are really in play as such. But downward projections, surely we have 7.24, 6.87, 6.66. But if you want to scavenge on the negated projections on this 1 minute chart, we have $10.68. So yeah, once again, see what you make of PSQH stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.